Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of yes, it's Tuesday, the last day of the month, August the 31st, 2021. We have here one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. By the way, there is also in this newspaper 9 extra Sudokus. Yes, 9 extra Sudokus or puzzles, and 5 of them I will solve. So a lot of Sudokus to go. But first one I will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3321. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? So, let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, another 4 there. So no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers now in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. Then the 9 in the third row, the 9 in the second row. So the row above the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. There 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 1. We have a 1 and an 8 in the third row, so no 1 and an 8 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the third row. 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Alright. 1, 7, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 2 in this box. Here also a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. 1 box left in this row for the 2 should be there. Alright. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 1 in this column, the third column, 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing, 2 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And oh, the no. I'm missing the 2. Yeah, I cannot count. I need to wait because we are missing a 2 here in one of those 2 boxes. I cannot place a 2. So I need to wait. Alright. How about the number 6 in the last column? 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and an 8. We see a 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1. Alright, so we have a 1 in this last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about those 2 boxes in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Alright, so we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be an 8. Alright. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Finished in 12 minutes. Wow. Yeah. Sudoku Medium, well, 12 minutes. I'm faster than 15 minutes for 1 star. So I give this a 1 star. Although for 26 printed digits, it's a 2 stars actually. But I give this a 1 star and I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time. Yeah, I'm pleased with the time. 1 star. Yeah, a classical medium Sudoku. Yes, classical. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the 1 star Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the killer Sudoku, for the heavy, for the medium, for the light Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the tectonic, binaries, quintuplets, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday, and we will meet again later on with the other Sudokus in the additional. 5 of them, yes, 5 out of 9 I will solve. See you then. Bye bye for now.